So the first step is to thoroughly vacuum all of the carpet before you get it wet and start cleaning. Now, your carpet's one of the biggest air filters in your home, so it holds all that dry soil and pet hair and whatever else is floating around in your house. So when you come through with the vacuum, you're getting that first layer of dry dirt and grime off of the carpet, so then when you come through with your shampooer, you're able to get all of the embedded dirt and soil. Number 2, pick the right cleaning solution. Now, there are a variety of soaps and DIY mixes on the market, and a variety of them work pretty well. However, I highly suggest using this Ultra Pack Traffic Clean from ProChem. You can get it on Amazon. It's about $42, but it's a concentrate, so you can mix it up, and it usually mixes anywhere from 33 to about 40 gallons, depending on how strong you want to mix it. But this does an amazing job. You get professional results with it, and it doesn't leave any sticky residues or anything in the carpet that will attract dirt after cleaning. Number 3, always mix up your cleaning soap or solution in a pump-up sprayer like this. You can get a 1 gallon or a 2 gallon at your local big box store or even on Amazon, but this is extremely important to loosen up that soil from the carpet fibers. Pre-treating the carpet helps give the soap time to do its job. It's going to loosen up and dissolve the dirt and grime sitting in the carpet fibers. To do this, just pump it up and evenly spray across the room about a foot or 2 above, and spray the whole room and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before cleaning. Number 4 is how to properly use your carpet cleaning machine. Now, this is a store-bought Hoover Smartwash. This thing works great. I love this machine. You might be using something like this, or renting a machine from a big box store like a Rug Doctor or something comparable. The rules all apply the same across the board. Number 1, make sure to only fill the fresh water tank with warm water from the sink. Don't add any soaps or any sort of additives to this water. You want this to rinse the carpet out, not only the dirt and grime, but also the soap. So water only in there. And number 2, make sure when you're cleaning the carpet to go slowly so you're rinsing all that dirt and soap off of the carpet, and then come through with just the vacuum so that you're extracting as much of the moisture as possible. If an area isn't cleaning up as well, go over it once, re-pre-treat, and then flush it out again, and kind of go at it layer by layer, opposed to really saturating an area with a bunch of moisture, because it's that much harder to pull all of that moisture out of the carpet and get it dry. Speaking of drying, let's talk about our last tip. Tip number 5 is to get the carpets dry as quickly as possible after cleaning. You can do this with 3 quick, easy steps. Number 1, take a box fan or even turn on the ceiling fan if you have one in the room to get the airflow moving through the area you just cleaned. Number 2, you want to make sure the home environment is at temperature about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can either turn the air conditioning on, turn the furnace on, or even open the windows if it's a nice day. The key is to make sure the home is around 70 degrees. And number 3, my favorite part, is you can grab one of these Grandy groomers right here. This is a carpet grooming rake. You can groom all the carpet. Not only does it leave an amazing finish, but it also stands the fibers up real nice so the carpet can dry quicker. Now, I will say one warning about the Grandy groomer is once you use it, it gets to be extremely addicting and is very satisfying to use, so before you know it, you'll be grooming your entire house. Next time you have to clean your carpets, follow these steps and you'll be cleaning like a pro in no time, and your carpets will be fresh and clean.